Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing very well. So in previous video, you have learned about other courtiers' plan to destroy Tansen's positions and popularity, as they were jealous of Tansen's growing value and importance in the King Akbar's court. So they convinced the king to order Tansen to sing Rag Deepak according to their plan. And Tansen also found out a way to get out of that difficult situation, and that is Rag Mein. So they work hard to complete their preparation, and after that Tansen was ready to sing Rag Deepak, and his daughter and her friend were fully prepared to sing Rag Mein. So now in today's video, we will learn about what happened in the end of this story and how did Tansen saved himself from jealous courtiers' dangerous plan. So look into your book, part 3. The legend goes that on the appointed day, the whole town assembled to hear Tansen sing Rag Deepak. When he began to sing, the air became warm. Soon, people in the audience were bathed in perspiration. The leaves on the trees dried up and fell to the ground. As the music continued, birds fell dead because of the heat, and the water in the rivers began to boil. People cried out in terror as flames shot up out of nowhere and lighted the lamps. So Tansen completed his preparation with his daughter and her friend during the time which he got before singing Rag Deepak. And when the appointed day has arrived, the great singer Tansen went to the court to sing Rag Deepak. And the whole villagers also gathered to listen Rag Deepak. So when Tansen started singing Rag Deepak, its effect started appearing. Like air became hot and the people around him started sweating. So there is a word perspiration. It means sweat. It means pasina. So all the people around him got wet with their own sweat. And because of the heat, leaves dried and fell on the ground. Birds died, and water in the river started boiling. Now everyone was in fear and crying because there was so much heat, and flames and fire appeared from anywhere. And the lamps were also alight without firing or lighting them. In short, it was looking like everything was burning and fire is everywhere. So what happened next? Look at the next paragraph. At once, Saraswati and Rupavati began to sing Rag Mein. The sky clouded over and the rain came down. Tansen was saved. The story goes that he was very ill after this, and Akbar was sorry that he had caused him so much suffering. He punished Tansen's enemies. Then Tansen got well. The entire city rejoiced. When Tansen got well, the entire city rejoiced. Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till 1585. When he died, he composed several new rags. Tansen's tomb is in Gwalior. It is a place of pilgrimage for musicians. So, when the heat was out of control and everyone was crying in fear, Tansen was also singing Rag Deepak. Then Tansen's daughter Saraswati and her friend Rupavati started singing Rag Mein. So immediately the sky was clouded and the showers of rain began pouring down on the earth. So the heat disappeared and Tansen was saved. But after this incident, Tansen fell ill. So the king Akbar felt sorry for causing him pain by ordering him to sing Rag Deepak. So he punished all Tansen's enemies, and when Tansen recovered from his illness, the whole city was delighted and happy, and they celebrated with joy. After that, Tansen remained Akbar's court singer till his death. He composed many new rags, and he died in 1585 and buried in Gwalior. From then, Gwalior has become the place where the musicians often go to visit Tansen's tomb. Here this chapter comes to an end, and I hope it's very clear to you. Thank you very much for watching this video.